Installing the battery or replacing the battery are very easy. First, open the back of the device by removing the 2 screws on either side of the hatch. In order to save time, I already did that. Then remove all the loose items in the device, including a sponge and a black card. If you are replacing the battery, simply pull the wire and the battery will be detached. When installing the battery, the wires should be connected to the socket on the same side of the screw hole. Also, please ensure the red wire is on the left-hand side. Line up the plug with the socket and gently push it in. You can also use a tool if you want. You can see the light start to blinking, red and blue. Hold the battery up and replace the black card with the cutout under the wires. Fit the battery, ensuring the wires are not protruding outside the well. Put back the sponge. Replace the cover and refit the screws.